Alright, so I had a little bit of a tornado-warned weather. Not many tornadoes, but some rain all the way across the street. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Show Facebook world how deep it is. Wow. Well, it rained for what, Mike?
So it's
30 minutes?
okay. It's like right there. It's how deep it is from my foot.
And it rained for what, 30 minutes maybe? 20, maybe 40? That's pretty sweet. The whole street has water, and idiots are running through it. They run. That's pretty sweet. Tiny little car. Look at we get an inner tube. There was a person rafting down there earlier.